Hi Vivian, this is Xiaowei. It's my honor to give you feedback to your e-portfolio. And your e-portfolio is very well designed to me because it's very easy to navigate. Uh, on the home page, I can have the menu up there and I can go to anything I want to see. I have already tried all these links that goes to different parts. They all work very well. Let me see. This one is about pre-planning need analysis, and it's in a Google slide. Very good. And when I try to see different slides and I see the last slide that has these, maybe this slide should be gone, and it's just so minor, so it doesn't matter. Just notice that it's there, and maybe it's an extra slide. And I am very interested in your learning plan because I see there's one project you want your students to do that is of high interest. Anyone, no matter what age they are in, I think they are all interested in completing it. So let me see activity 5 here. Let me highlight this portion. Here it says at activity 5, and for this one you have students to work on their presentational writing skills and also their presentational speaking skills. And the scenario is your parents have decided to go on a second honeymoon without you. It's time for you to be independent. Your mother wants to make sure that you can survive, so she's asking you to make a 3-day meal plan for yourself. It's very interesting. I've never seen any plan like that, and it's very creative, and so well done for this portion. And I'm also very happy to see that you use the the app that we introduced. Uh, for example, in the additional support activities, and I see that you use these H5P to make this learning lesson, which I think would be a very good thing for your online students to do if you have online student, or even for your face-to-face class students to watch it when you have a substitute teacher, and it's very useful. Okay, good job, and I really enjoy actually going to each part of your e-portfolio. Okay, thank you.